open it. And since we already opened it in the first place, we don't need any scissors for opening this tape part. Oh, okay. Okay. It's very hard to take these What are you doing?
Putting the fire.
You know what? I'm gonna unbox the whole. I'm gonna get rid of the whole thing.
Say hi. This is my object. This is object. Today this is the part is the door. So first,
almost done.
The station is the part that the car.
I need help.
And the battery's mother. This is after Jesus.
Okay, done. So here's what it looks like.
What?
Now we twist.
Now we twist. Take a rest.
Okay, I'm gonna go get scissors.
Mother, take a rest.
Okay.
And
Be
now,
careful with the scissors.
yeah, and this is not for kids. This is only up to 9 years old, which I am, or 8, or above 5. If you're above 5, make sure it's an adult. But if you're 4 or 3, no, not safe.
Below 5.
Here, I got it.
Slowly. Okay, be careful.
What
Give me the scissors.
is?
Put away the scissors.
Just in case.
Make sure you put
The
on
jingle
the...
bell, the beat. That's a jingle bell. That's a jingle bell. That's a jingle bell. Bum bum bum.
We can prank somebody. You can prank somebody who doesn't like spiders. Here's a remote control. It looks.
Put the box here.
Did you get the screwdriver?
Please put the box here in the bag.
Since this is garbage, we're gonna place it in the garbage.
No, it's going to recycle.
Just a recycle? Oh yeah, we're doing cardboard. So this is not a garbage can. It's a recycle can because reduced reuse.
Recycle bag.
Because it's cardboard and plastic. And if you use garbage, the animals will get hurt.
There's more in the bottom.
I'm gonna get more.
Watch your hand.
Beep. Bop. Beep. Bop. Why'd you drop it? And now we need a screwdriver. We're gonna wait, but when we wait, we dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Come on. Let's dance. And you can make letters and batteries, but don't put them with foil, or else this is a caution for fire hazard. Fire hazard.
What you need battery? Double A, triple A.
And make sure the screwdriver is just right.
No pictures, no videos. No pictures, no videos for fun. And please do a measurement universe.
Batteries
It
are
already comes with batteries.
Check if it's what you call this one.
On
If it's properly
How are you going to
the plus and the
Okay,
This one too.
so
is it it's properly
Yeah, it's
No
proper.
pictures, no videos.
So
Not in the anniversary.
I just noticed that it comes with battery. So I just noticed that it comes with batteries. So we're gonna screw this back. Righty, tighty. And here's a screwdriver. Righty, tighty, lefty.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
It is so hard. Which way?
Look at the arrow. Arrow.
Am I putting it back or taking it apart?
Turn
I'm gonna-
turn right. Turn left.
I'm gonna do this.
Now turn right. Which way the road?
So now I'm putting it back. Okay, and now since we did that, now it's righty tighty.
B-W. B.
Later we're gonna check if the screwdriver has battery.
Don't. V. And don't.
There we go.
W. V. W. Mother, this is our batteries. Mother.
Okay?
Is the battery properly positioned?
Yeah. Now,
What's the matter, Mother?
now let's see if there's batteries on this one. Yep, there is batteries. What if it's a test battery?
Test batteries.
I think it's a test battery.
This is not working, Mother. What happened to the spider?
Yeah, it's definitely a test
What
battery.
happened to the spider? What happened to the spider?
So now,
Really? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
that's not how you say it. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's not how you, that's not what it
Whoa.
pronounces. It's not what it pronounces.
Please welcome to the spider to the Lord to the Lord. Peace was true.
Now I'm gonna test it. We're gonna do the spin, and then it's gonna go forward. No, to the viewers. Spider! Now we're gonna do backward spins.
Now let's turn left. Now
Okay.
turn left.
We're
Now
gonna
let's
do
turn left.
backward spins.
Yeah, now let's turn right.
Okay, move.
Is that very good in Halloween?
Yes. Also for pranking. Okay.
scary.
How is it scary? It's not looking scary. It looks amazing. What would you like? Would you like this to come to you? Whoa! Hi, my name is Spider, and I don't get dizzy.
The power is so Lord.
I'm stuck. It's the position.
Go, go, go! Spider, spider,
Are the
spider,
legs feels
spider.
like spider? Are they soft or
No.
rubbery?
They are
Rubber?
Rubber.
Rubber?
And I can. So